A prosecutor and a defense attorney gave very different descriptions of this incident during their opening statements.
Hey, stop right there. Stop. Stop.
On that night in August 2019,
Stop. I have a right to stop you because you're being suspicious.
Nathan Woodyard was the first Aurora police officer to confront Elijah McClain. Today, he was the third officer to go on trial in McClain's death. Woodyard faces a single charge: reckless manslaughter. Prosecutor Ann Joyce told jurors he put McClain in a neck hold that rendered him unconscious, starting a cascade of medical issues. And then he ignored his own training and McClain's pleas for help.
You have to remember that Mr. Woodyard was the primary officer. Elijah McClain was his responsibility. He is the officer who chose to use the carotid hold. He's the one that should be at his side. He's the one that is hearing Mr. McClain say, "I can't breathe." And yet, he does nothing to intercede.
Defense attorney Megan Downing said McClain's death was tragic, but it wasn't Woodyard who injected him with the sedative that killed him.
This is not a case about a training slide. This is not a case about whether policies were violated. It's not a case about whether mistakes were made or something could have been done differently. It is a case about whether someone, this person, caused another person to die, and he simply did not.
Now, those two officers that already went on trial, the jury acquitted one. They found the other guilty of criminally negligent homicide and third-degree assault. And the paramedics that injected that ketamine are set to go on trial in late November. Kim?
So much the similar testimony that we're going to hear and evidence that we're going to hear, Kevin. Yet we need to remember this is an entirely different jury and different defense attorneys and prosecutors, so everything could be different.
Yes, although today has started with some of the same witnesses that were called in that first trial, and we think this trial is going to move more quickly, but is going to involve a lot of the same evidence, even though it does involve a different defendant and a number of different attorneys.